Hi, welcome to BGR Commerce Hub. So first of all, why we are started the BGR Commerce Hub? So BGR Commerce Hub we started almost 10 years back in 2012. So the main purpose of the BGR Commerce Hub is to provide practical knowledge on finance, accounts and taxation with Tally ERP 9. Here the syllabus will be started from beginning basics. For example, what are the liabilities, assets, incomes and expenditures. And the syllabus will automatically ultimately ended with balance sheet finalization. So here the syllabus will be covered from freshers to up to 10 years experience candidates. So here we will provide training and placements. So here the syllabus mainly will focus on basics, and next we are moving on to Tally ERP 9. So in Tally ERP 9 mainly we are going to cover basic Tally, advanced Tally, Tally with inventory, Tally for commercial department like purchase orders, whatever may be, plus quotations, pro forma invoices, plus Tally with the GST. So here GST we are going to cover with, first we are going to discuss with GST Act, GST chapters, total GST theoretical chapters. Next we are moving on to practical GST. So practical GST in the sense composition scheme like reverse charge mechanism, so like GST returns filing, next waybill generation, plus this discounts, how to deal with discounts in GST, plus this TCS on GST, TDS on GST. These are new concepts, TDS on GST, TCS on GST. So next we are moving on to TDS. In TDS part we are going to cover almost all starting from sections. Next we are moving on to TDS accounting. Next we are moving on to how to file TDS returns like 24Q, 26Q. Next how to generate form 16 and form 16As. Next how to calculate the TDS for salaried employees. So this is entirely practical training suitable from freshers to up to 10 years experience candidates. So in our institute the total syllabus is divided into two modules, module 1 and module 2. In module 1 we are going to cover basics. Four topics we are going to cover totally. One is basics, second one is Tally ERP 9, third one is GST, fourth one is TDS. So this will be suitable to from freshers to up to 4 years experience candidates, module 1 syllabus. Next come to module 2 syllabus. Here we are going to cover provident fund, ESI, employee state insurance, professional tax, payroll, that means how to prepare the salary statement, how to issue the pay slips. Next we are going to cover this income tax part, like how to calculate the income tax for companies, partnership firms, LLPs, whatever may be. Next how to file the income tax returns. So these are the major topics we are going to cover in module 2. For example, balance sheet finalization as per Companies Act 2013, vertical and normal balance sheets, horizontal balance sheets, plus schedules, notes to accounts. Next we are going to discuss on advance tax, how to calculate the advance tax installments. Next we are going to discuss mainly on TCS part. So TCS returns, how to file TCS returns. Next we are going to discuss banking and finance. For example, cash flow statements, funds flow statement, LC, letter of credit, types of loans in finance like CC, OD, term loan, whatever may be. So module 2 is very useful from 4 years experience candidates to up to 10 years experience candidates. So module 1, module 2. You can take module 1 and module 2 as per your choice. So module 1 is suitable from freshers to up to 4 years experience candidates. Module 2 is suitable from 4 years candidates to up to 10 years candidates. So here why you should select the institute, why you should select the BGR Commerce Hub. We will tell 3 reasons why you should select the BGR Commerce Hub. The first reason is to enhance your practical skills and to enhance your career in finance, accounts and taxation. Because we provide entire practical training, 100% practical training. Second reason, the training will be by chartered accountant. I am the chartered accountant, I will provide the training. I am the trainer of these main key parts, GST, income tax, TDS, like that. Next, why you should select the BGR Commerce Hub. Second reason is to place in a top companies, Indian companies. For example, Aurobindo Pharma, for example, Apollo Hospitals, like I am telling how the student had placed in different companies. Genpact also they had placed. So like to go into the top companies, to go into the Indian companies, we will give the training in that way. Next main important why you should select the BGR Commerce Hub is we will give the training on licensed module of Tally ERP 9, not education mode, it is licensed mode of Tally ERP 9. Next, whatever the syllabus we are going to cover in total syllabus, total modules in 2 months. So module 1 will be 1 month, module 2 will be 1 month. So another reason is we have a strong HR department for placements. So here HR department will enter into the agreements with market, or enter the agreements with the companies to place our students into the industry. So here we will get a 10 years experience of practical training, and you are almost all equal to CA interqualified person if you take the course both module 1 and module 2. So now you can get a place in the companies very easily. So here the practical total knowledge is practical training. If you follow the syllabus correctly, module 1 and module 2, you are eligible for almost all 5 departments. For example, first one is accounts department. You can settle your life in accounts department, like accounts executive. Next, you can settle your life in taxation department, like TDS department, like GST department, or this income tax department. Next, you can settle your life in finance department. For example, this BRS part of finance executive, cash flow statements preparation, funds flow statement preparation, and you can also eligible for this chit fund companies, Margadarshi chit fund company, like credit analyst, because we are going to deal with ratios also, cash flow statements, funds flow statements. And the next department, you are mainly eligible for HR department also, because we are going to learn provident fund, ESA, professional tax, salary statement preparation, pay slips. So that means you are most eligible for HR department also. And another department, you are also eligible for commercial department. Commercial department in the sense purchase department, because you are going to learn how to raise quotations, how to apply for tenders, how to prepare pro forma invoices, how to prepare sales invoices, plus how to follow up with the parties, the creditors, like that. That means all syllabus. That means this syllabus is totally suitable for almost all 5 departments. One is accounts department, second one is taxation department, third one is finance department, fourth one is HR department, fifth one is commercial department. If you follow both models perfectly and if you practice that, so plan accordingly. Thank you.